Your partner is grateful that you have given them all the space they needed to work on themselves and sort out the chaotic situation. They are appreciating the amount of patience you have shown throughout this journey. Your maturity shown them how different you are from everyone and wants be persuaded by any mind games or manipulation. Your partner watches you very closely. The distance between you both hurts them more than you think. You are unforgettable to them. Your partner don't any want you to have kind of doubt when it comes to their feelings for you. They see you as their biggest inspiration. They also realize this relationship with you is not just about romance and fantasies, but also to heal oneself and grow up as an individual.